You do not want to take the PMP exam. You want to pass the PMP exam. Hi, I'm Joseph Phillips. I'm the author of several books on project management, and I'm the Director of Education for Instructing.com. In this robust course, I'm going to show you how to pass the PMP. In this course, which I've based entirely on the PMP exam content outline, I walk us through all components of the PMP exam. We'll talk about project integration management, project scope management, cost, scheduling. We'll look at quality. We're going to dive into resource management, which includes physical resources and human resources. And then we'll talk about communications management, which is so important in any project. We're going to really explore risk, all of our different risk planning, qualitative and quantitative analysis. We'll get into procurement and stakeholder engagement. And then we're going to really dive into adaptive. Half of your exam will be based on the adaptive hybrid approach to project management. So you'll need to know both predictive, waterfall, linear, and adaptive. For your exam, you'll need to know about Scrum, Kanban, XP, DSDM, feature-driven development, and a few other frameworks. I've helped hundreds of thousands of people pass the exam, and if they can do it, I know you can do it. Let's keep a positive mental attitude, keep moving forward, enroll today, and I'll see you in the course.